if you've seen the title, you already know what I'm about to do. So let's get started.
Traditional Valentine's Day look. I'm sure hella people have uploaded one, but today it's just gonna be like a weird little, I don't know if it's gonna be weird, I don't really know what we're gonna do yet. I'm gonna try to keep it kind of simple, so if you want to see that look, then just keep watching. As always, we are moisturizing first, and I'm using my ride or die, I was looking at my breakouts, we are using the Tatcha water.
Okay, so I have already moisturized, and as you can see, I did prime my chin area because I do have high pigmentation. So I did just go ahead and prep that area. So yeah.
For primer, we are using the Dr. Brandt Pores No More.
So I don't have the Dr. Brandt Pores No More primer, but I do have the Pore Professional primer. And if you are a OG subscriber to Nicole, then you will definitely know that she used to always use this primer, and this is literally my go-to primer like every day to literally conceal those pores and pack them in and, you know, put them away.
And for foundation, I have just been kind of obsessed with this foundation.
Oh, hold up. Nikki ain't? Okay. No, I need a little more. Oh, these edges is trying to play me so bad.
It is the Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse.
Okay, so I definitely used to use this like back in the day, but it doesn't give me coverage. So I am going to use the Maybelline Super Stay 24-Hour Coverage Foundation in the shade Golden, and it is 312.
I'm not sure what the color is.
And she is using her sponge. Oh my gosh, she's going so fast. One moment. I haven't used a sponge in a while. I just realized that. Took off the earrings just like her.
Magic to draw eyebrows. Magic for our eyes. We are priming with the Kat Von D concealer in white. It was really the only white base that like a pot liquid, not pot, like a gel liner. But this worked really well, so I'm just going to blend this all over.
Okay, so like she said, you don't have that. Okay, I did not go to the store today. Ish happens. So I'm gonna go in with my brightest concealer because I think I lost the NYX Jumbo pencil. Okay, so since we don't have a white eye primer or a white gel liner, I'm gonna just go in with my brightest concealer, and that is by ColourPop in the shade Light 20.
Set that concealer and make sure it doesn't.
Now I did order this eyeshadow taco by Sugar Peel, but I'm not sure when it's going to be in, so we're just going to have to use the Morphe 35B palette. Okay, so a quick trip. I did get this from Daisy on YouTube. I will have her channel linked below, and I will have Nicole's video linked below also. But pretty much on Daisy's video, it explains how it's much better if you're really going for a pigmented look, eyeshadow look. You definitely don't want to set your concealer, and you just want to pack on the shadow very lightly.
We're just going to pack a matte white shadow over top of this. I originally
okay, so she blended out her concealer.
I was going to do like red and pinks, but I ended up loving the all white lid. So we're going to stick with just an all white lid. It's kind of weird, but it's kind of cute. Kind of what we were going for.
Okay, she's going fast. So for me, I'm gonna just have to build up this color, and I'll be right back. Y'all, when I say this is hard to pack this with a shadow like this, you really want a pigmented white shadow. Why am I really telling y'all this like it's an actual tutorial to go out and wear? I'm gonna do as white as possible. That's just gonna, oh Lord Jesus, that's gonna have to do. You know what? The easiest thing about white eyeshadow actually is if you have fallout, not like a pigmented white, but if you have fallout, you definitely can clean it up. Okay, so pretty much we're gonna just wing it and use the finger and just pack on that white eyeshadow because I feel like the brush is not like coming out as pigmented as this. Oh, this is turning out to be a hot mess. Oh my God, like what is he doing? Do y'all see that? I thought this was gonna be literally like a piece of cake, but literally this white shadow is giving me so much trouble. Look at my palette, y'all. A wreck. Like clean it up a little. We out here looking, we looking retarded. Like, okay, so I don't have that mascara, but I do have the mascara that I've been loving, and that is the Dulce Max Lash Volumizer Mascara. See, now the mascara is getting on like the lap. We ain't gonna entertain it. The only reason why I really did this is because I've been a Nicole Guerriero fan since literally back in the day when she used to work for MAC. Like, I used to watch every single video. She inspired me to create a YouTube, but then situations happened, didn't really do YouTube, and now I'm on here fully. So yeah, this is the only reason why I was like, you know what? No one did a Nicole Guerriero. So let's do her. Obviously.
For lashes, we're getting these bad boys from Amazon.
Okay, nobody got time to order from Amazon, so you don't know. So today I'm gonna just use the synthetic. I do have the Mink lashes on the way. Not sure when it's gonna ship, but yeah. But I do have the Lily Lashes by Sephora collection, and it is the synthetic ones, and it is in the shade, and it is in the style Miami.
For concealer, we are using a Tarte Shape Tape. I was gonna say it's no surprise, but I honestly don't ever have used this card.
I'm surprised.
Just like doing my makeup regularly. We're also gonna add a little bit of the white concealer in the mix since my eyes, my lids are just so bright and white. I love them.
So I'm using the shade Medium. Okay, so she said she used some of her white primer under her eyes, so I'm gonna just add a little of that white concealer. Ooh, Jesus Christ. But I use
under eye area to be bright and white as well. We are gonna go back in and add some more of the white after we blend all this out. But
okay, so she went in with the brush first and then she went in with her sponge. But I am going in with the Morphe G39. It looked like she's going in with that brush to blend out first. And then she goes in with her sponge. She added more. Bruh. Oh, we gonna look like Casper today. We are gonna look like Casper. Okay, so she did add a little more of that bright white primer under her eyes. Okay, so she sprayed some MAC Fix Plus on her sponge. I don't buy MAC Fix Plus because I have combo skin. So I'm just gonna use my Smashbox priming water. It's kind of the same.
To set it all, we are using Patrick's powder from MAC.
I feel so sad about this because now I have to wait the longest. I kept playing around and just literally kept playing around. When everybody was buying the Patrick Store powder, I was like, oh, okay, it's gonna be there. Like, I can always go get it. It's on back order. So I have no clue when I can go ahead and order this powder because literally everyone raves about this powder. And little old me just decides, oh, I got plenty of time. It'll be fine. I'm good. I'm just going to go in with the Laura Mercier powder. Okay, and she using a Morphe brush, the gunmetal brush. And I have a gunmetal brush, and it is the Morphe G5.
To set the face, I am using a MAC Studio Fix powder. This is not necessary. This is just something I like to.
I don't have that powder, but you know what I always use if you follow me, the Maybelline Fit Me powder. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with that like she is.
We are using the Infallible Pro Contour from L'Oreal in the shade.
Okay, so I don't have the bronzer that she has, but I am going to be trying out the Bobbi Brown bronzer in medium. Hopefully this is not too dark. Okay, it looks natural, or whatever.
Her lesson in PRP, it gives off a very natural contour. Have been obsessed with it. For our blush, we are going to first start with MAC.
So you already know what I'm going to use. I'm just going to use the Tarte Parte blush. Don't have that blush. Oh gosh, she's using a lot of blush. This is another product that I literally can't stand myself for. Because when it came out, I was like, okay, I'ma always have time to get the Nicole Guerriero palette. Like, it's fine. Like, I'm not tripping. So she's just using 2 shades out of her palette. I'm just going to go ahead and go in with the Ofra Blissful highlighter because it is very, very glowy. So that's what we're going to use. And I'm going to take the Wet n Wild highlighting brush. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and put the same mascara on my bottom lashes. Yeah.
So for our little hearts, you can use glitter like sequins or stickers. To me, I think the stickers are going to be a little...
Okay, so with this, I don't have heart stickers. I do, however, have the NYX Vivid eyeliner in red. So let's go ahead and try to draw in some hearts.
Lastly, for our lip, I'm just going to dab over with some powder. And for our lip liner, we are using Urban Case 24.
Ooh, one moment. Okay, so I really don't have a lot of red lips because you don't do a lot of red lips. So the first thing I'm going to use is the Rimmel London Exaggerate Lippy, and it is in Epic, and I'm just going to go around the lips and then go in with the lipstick. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and go in with Anastasia Ruby because I don't have a liquid lipstick that's red. I need to get one. And I'm going to go in with a little of my new Ofra liquid lipstick. guys, so this is the finished look. Hope you liked it. There goes the shimmer. But yeah, this was pretty cool to, you know, try out, see how it would come out. Really didn't expect it to come out like this. It came out better than I could imagine because I didn't think that I could draw hearts on my face pretty much. So yeah, I like how it came out. It did not exactly come out like hers, but I'm proud of myself because I actually didn't think I could do this. So shout out to you, Nicole. And if you do want to go see her videos, I will link her below. And about the quick tip about setting the eyes, I will go ahead and link Daisy below. But yeah, that's about it, guys. And if you want to follow up with me, don't forget to subscribe. Click that bell below right by the subscribe button. And if you just want to keep up with me on a daily basis, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. So if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and tell me what you liked about this video. Tell me what you think I could have did better. Just comment below. So guys, have a blessed day. Bye guys.